Good morning. Good morning. I feel fresh today. I feel fresh today. Let me make some coffee. Let me make some coffee. I really need coffee this morning. I really need coffee this morning. The kitchen smells nice. The kitchen smells nice. I'll boil some water first. I'll boil some water first. Time to prepare my coffee. Time to prepare my coffee. I love the smell of coffee. I love the smell of coffee. This is my favorite mug. This is my favorite mug. My coffee is almost ready. My coffee is almost ready. Let me sit and enjoy it. Let me sit and enjoy it. This coffee tastes amazing. This coffee tastes amazing. A good coffee makes my day better. A good coffee makes my day better. I feel more awake now. I feel more awake now. Let me check today's plan. Let me check today's plan. I have a lot to do today. I have a lot to do today. First, I will finish my coffee. First, I will finish my coffee. I should start my work soon. I should start my work soon. This quiet morning feels peaceful. This quiet morning feels peaceful. I enjoy this moment. I enjoy this moment. Coffee really helps me focus. Coffee really helps me focus. I feel ready for the day. I feel ready for the day. Time to get started. Time to get started. Let's make today productive. Let's make today productive. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a great day. Thank you.